Need a really big one.
What?
I need a really big one to kind of catch it. Huh? When was the last big fork when you seen? That was decent. It's more sheet lightning than now, eh?
I think it's right on us. I was looking up there and that because there was a cloud like it up from like where am I go?
You can hear the wind picking up, like. Still over that way? Oh.
Only some small ones.
I'm 10% battery.
I actually did not think I'd be cold on this holiday.
You what?
I did not think I'd ever be cold on this holiday for doing this.
I'm not even cold.
I've got this one. My feet swell when I'm hot. That's okay. I think I'm hard to walk. Oh, my legs are starting to chill. Let's take this towel into